Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to freely move image around in Microsoft Word without any stress. Let me show you how. Like for instance, I'm going to start afresh importing or insert a picture. So for that, I'll go ahead and click on Insert tab right here. And then I'll go ahead and click on Picture. And I'll go ahead and make sure I click on this device. So I'm going to go ahead and look for a picture right here. So I'm going to insert this particular logo right here. And I'll go ahead and click on insert. Now, once we insert, we find out that it is being difficult to drag the image anywhere you want. Okay, how can you stop this problem? I'm going to give you two hacks on how you can easily design and drag your image all around in MS Word right here. So first trick I'm going to give you right here, simply right click on the image and then go ahead and navigate to wrap. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on in front of text. And with that, you can drag your image all around in any angle of your choice, just like so. So I'm going to press Ctrl C right here and then Ctrl C, Ctrl C. So by the time I drag the image again, you can see the image is locked. Another way to unlock any image to move it around in MS Word is that go ahead and click on the picture format. Under the picture format, the next thing you want to do is to go to wrap text right here and then make sure you choose square. Once you choose square, then you can drag the image anywhere as the case may be. You can also scale in or scale down as the case may be. You can now drag your image anywhere you like in your MS Word. It's that simple. These are the two hacks I want to give you right here as far as MS Word is concerned. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.